Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be organizing a space in my house, and that space in my house is going to be this lovely room right here. So this is a collaboration that is hosted by Wanda from Miss Amechi. You guys can also check out her other channel, Grandma Does It All. Both links will be in my description box down below. I am the co-host Sierra, and in today's video we are organizing my space. One of the spaces in my house that I want to be clean is the kids' rooms. So I'm going to start putting a strict hold on her as far as holding her accountable for this room. I spend way too much time in here cleaning up, picking up things off the floor, vacuuming, sweeping, putting stuff away, you name it. So with that being said, I'm going to get ready to try to transform this room around the best way that I can, because I don't like to keep her, I don't like her bed being near the window, just because of, like, you know, possibly getting sick a lot, or the air coming in, or bugs, or whatever. You never know. And it is like ant season, you know, so no, I don't want to like keep her over there. Then of course I can't have her over here on this wall because the closet's right there. So I think what I'm really going to try to do is kind of like move the bed over here, and try to keep, you know, like outlets over here available. And I'm going to try to make her just a nice PlayStation so that she can clean up after herself. So let's go ahead and get this transformed, and I hope that you guys check out the playlist that will be in my description box down below after you finish watching this video.
She wanna know me, I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby, squad up, we finna go deep.
Alright y'all, so right now I just took a break really quick. My idea is to have like a corner for her to do like a play area, and then of course like try and clean up more. I'm gonna go through the books, I'm gonna go through a little bit of everything. Also I'm like cleaning up underneath the bed and stuff like that, and I need to get behind the dresser. I've already been through clothes, so that's just not one of my worries. My worries is like organizing this room the best way that I can. So as you guys can see, I'm just going to be floating around in the video to get this room cleaned up. I'm going to be in and out of the frame to get things put out into the hallway, and then I'm going to also be coming back in to move things around. I am going to move the bed off of this wall here, and I'm going to vacuum up behind here. There are a lot of things that fall back behind the bed, such as like balloons, dirt, rubber bands that pop off of her hair, things that she just randomly lets fall back behind there. Underneath her bed is a pull-out mattress frame where we could put another twin mattress underneath if anyone else stayed. But normally we keep things under here that we can just store underneath for a while. So right now I'm going to try to get the TV over here onto this wall and try to just make it like a different space for her. I'm also trying to keep an open floor plan of just like extra space to play and just to have just extra room and everything else. So I'm gonna push the bed down towards the window, but her head will be at the top away from the window. Some of the things that I'm gonna put over in the corner near the window, it's just things that aren't being played with right away and things like that. I am moving everything out of this corner that was here, which includes the Barbie Dream House, the accessories that are in the black 3-drawer organizer, all of the JoJo boxes, and all of the things that were over here. Because the TV needs to move over here, I am going to go ahead and vacuum from what was over here in the corner. I will move everything around to the point where that corner is only going to be used for things that are not needed at the moment as well. After a good vacuuming around the carpet and around the area of where the Barbie Dream House and everything else was, I am now officially getting ready to move the dresser down, as well as putting down another carpet in front of the bed, and then I will work on getting the dresser together, kind of figuring out what I really want to do with that. And then I am going to move the Barbie Dream House just so that she can have some type of space to play. And this is the area that I was talking about moving the Barbie Dream House into, just to give it some type of little area here. Went through the JoJo boxes, broke those down, only kept 2. And I'm gonna keep Uni where he's at because he just doesn't need to move. Everything else does. After getting that together, we went through the bookshelf, cleaned off some books, and just set up an even better space over here where everything is organized and put together. I did have to take something off the wall and move it just because the colorful shelf was in front of it and was blocking the bows. And of course, while I'm cleaning, Uni decides to make his grand appearance and want to eat. So yeah, I just had to show Uni real quick, get things kind of put back in order here around the room. Okay, y'all, so I'm done cleaning up this space. One of the things I can say is this was time consuming. I think I started on this around 4 o'clock and it's now 9:15 and I am finally finished. I did bang myself up pretty good right there on what I have no clue. But let me give you all the walk around, and then be sure to check out that playlist that's linked in my description box down below. And I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, be sure to give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel, and thank you all for watching. So with the walkthrough, this is basically the outcome of what the room looks like. Some of these things that are already on the wall I left there, but this little area is so that she could sit down and color, draw, and even like make bracelets, which is what I put at the bottom. Here it is, we have the bed, and then everything that she's not playing with over in this area, such as like the scooter, and it's over near the window. I just didn't want to put her directly underneath the window. We have our boots and just a cute little setup station over here of the creations that she has made. We have all of our Barbie accessories and clothes and things such as like putty and stuff like that, stuff for her Switch. Here's the Barbie dream house. I left it exactly with everything that was on it. We have some drawings that she has put on the wall, bows, and a little bit of everything to kind of represent her. We went through the bookshelf, cleaned out all the books that we do not want to read together or that she would not like to read by herself. There are chapter books and regular books that she will be able to read. In the colorful bins, we have poppets, pictures, stickers, masks, glasses, nails, stuff for her hair, jewelry, and then like all of her bonnets, stuff like that. I went ahead and just cleaned up everywhere, including putting clothes back in the closet, putting shoes away, and getting everything clean. Thank you all once again for watching this video. I hope that you have enjoyed. If you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and check out the playlist.